Hello, my name is Matt Steenson. I am the middle school science teacher at Sacred Heart. So that means I teach sixth, seventh, and eighth grade. One of the things about how the logistics of that works is so each class has two sections. So I have two sixth grade classes, two seventh grade, and two eighth grade classes. Now, one of the things that we've been learning about and talking about, and that I've used in the past that I think is really slick and helpful, is being able to assign an assignment for multiple classes instead of having to go into each classroom and assign it separately. So, my tutorial today is going to be showing you how to do that. So, when you're at your Google Classroom, you're going to go to your classwork. Okay, let me delete this because, all right. So, I'm going to create a new assignment. And that assignment is going to be called identifying variables. Right. Um, my instructions. Right. A lot of the documents I'll attach will have instructions ready to go. And so sometimes my instructions are simply just follow the instructions on the document. And then I always like to remind students to hit turn in. And a lot of students, for whatever reason, don't remember to hit turn in. So I like adding that reminder. So I'm going to add a document. We'll add the document that I want them to complete, which is right here, variable practice. Okay, it's right there. I'm going to make sure I make a copy for each student. I have found that many times if you forget, you obviously cannot go back and do it once you've assigned it, which is an unfortunate thing. So if you want each person to have a copy, make sure you hit uh, make a copy for each student before you hit submit. I'll give it a grade, give it a due date. Move my screen over here. We'll just give it some arbitrary due date, 25th. Add it to a topic, scientific inquiry, and now I can just assign it, and it's going to go right to this classroom that I'm working in. But if I also want it to join or be a part of another class, I come up to four, and I have options. These are all my classes I'm currently in having right now. I have a practice one that I'll just use just for this demonstration, but I'm gonna select practice, and now I see that it's going to two classes. The only unfortunate thing about this is that I no longer have the option to schedule. That is one thing I found that's a little frustrating. But if I don't want to post it right away, I can always save it as a draft, which at least is very helpful. So once I want it assigned, I can just hit assign and it'll go to both classrooms. Or if I want it to go right now, I'm just going to hit assign. And it's assigning, and we'll see how and where it pops up. All right, if we scroll down to our classwork, we now see that we have identifying variables right here. That is assigned. And we also, if I go to my practice one, you can see that I assigned a new assignment identifying variables there as well. Like I said, I think this is really slick, especially if you have multiple sections of the same subject uh, or grade level. And so I found this to be very handy. I hope you've enjoyed. I hope this has been helpful. Um, and have a good day.